C3 transforming graphs of functions, example 15b. Similar to part A, we're given the graph of f of x, this time a different transformation, y equals f of x plus 2 in brackets and n plus 2. So you need to know the different effect the 2 plus 2's will have. The one inside the brackets, that will move the graph left by 2 units, and the one on the outside will move it up by 2 units. So I'm just going to quickly sketch the original graph, which went through the origin. So that was a rough copy of the original graph. And then the plus 2 inside the brackets moves it left by 2. Now I'm looking at the point A here. It used to have an x-coordinate of 2, so if we move it left by 2, it'll now have an x-coordinate of 0. So make sure A ends up on the y-axis. Then the plus 2 on the end will move it up by 2. So now I'm looking at the y-coordinate of A. It used to be minus 1, and here this point is now 0, minus 1. So when we move it up by 2, it'll definitely go past the origin and end up about there. So this finishes off by marking the points. So O ended up over here, A ended up there, and B over here. So this time the x coordinates went left by 2, so the x coordinates all decreased by 2, and yet the y coordinates increased by 2. So O used to be the origin, x was decreased by 2, and y was increased by 2. The same happened to A, x was decreased by 2, and y increased by 2, and B, same again, x decreased by 2, and y increased by 2. So there we go, that's part B.